day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2020 Mathematics Past Question 5. Express the product of 0.0014 and 0.011 in standard form. So let's express their products in standard form. Now, standard form is just a simple way in mathematics in which very small numbers are expressed or very large numbers are expressed in a simple form. Now, the product of for 0.0014 in standard form, we're going to have 1.4 times 10 raised power of minus 3. Now for 0.011 in standard form, that will give us 1.1 times 10 raised power of minus 2. Now the product of these two simply remains 1.4 times 10 raised power of minus 3 multiplied by 1.1 times 10 raised power of minus 2. Now this is equals to 1.4 times 1.1 times 10 raised power of minus 3 plus minus 2. So 1.4 multiplied by 1.1 will give us 1.54 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of now minus 3 plus minus 2 is equals to minus 3 minus 2, and that is equals to minus 5. So raised power of minus 5, and this is the answer to this question, which is option D. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.